Hunter Chill and join me on historic St. Helena Island, South Kakalaki in the Gullah Geechee Nation on Saturday, November the 8th, 2025 for the main stage at the 41st Annual Penn Center Heritage Days celebration with featured artist Lisa Rivers and a celebration you don't want to miss with Wana Wamalan, African drummers and dancers, Day Clean, the African Spirit, songstress Mildred Daniels, the Robinson Brothers, Grandpa Bam, Bruce Ingrams, and a mix of R&B and get ready to get down with your boots on the ground with DJ and engineer Kwame Shah of All Mobile Productions, R&B artist Marcus Allen, Adrian and the Good Vibes Band, Bethy Nabinet, and for the funk of it. And definitely go get your tickets today at Eventbrite and join us on Saturday, November the 8th, 2025 in the Penn Center National Landmark Historic District on St. Helena Island, South Carolina. It won't be a time for truth.